Hey y'all, welcome back to TrulyAlexus. So today's video is going to be a little different. I am personally going to be giving myself tattoos. Not just one tattoo, but tattoos right here in this video. So if you're interested in ink and tattoos, make sure to stay tuned. We have a sponsor for today's video, and our sponsor is Momentary Ink. Shout out to them. So Momentary Ink provides semi-permanent and temporary tattoos. They also do custom art tattoos. So if you're like me and you wait years and years to get a tattoo, like y'all, my first tattoo I got a year ago, I think, but I have been wanting that tattoo since high school. So that was probably like for 4 or 5 years I have been wanting that tattoo, and that's the only tattoo I still currently have besides the ones that I'm applying today. So yes, I can never make up my mind because I feel like everything has to have like a deep, important meaning, and so I just sit on ideas and I never go. So yeah, if you're like me, this is a great way to just test out different designs, because you can either choose from their long list of designs, I'll insert them on the screen, or you can get something custom made. And their turnaround time is pretty quick, so you won't be waiting long at all. So if you're interested in that and you're sort of like me and you're ready to see me apply these tattoos and which designs I got, let's get right into the video. Alright, so let's get into the tattoos. So this is the packaging. Super cute and artsy. There's a hand here coming out of ink with a rose, well, a few roses. So love that. I haven't looked at the tattoos yet, but I do know what I picked on the website. So let's get into this. Alright, so they come in this envelope. Just says Momentary Ink on the back, and then it says as real as it gets, fake gets, fake gets. And then it says not real tattoos. Okay, so after opening the package, the first thing that I see is this, which is called Real Till. Hopefully this focuses. So this is for temporary tattoos. The temporary tattoos last about 3 to 5 days, and this is to take away the shine. So if y'all have ever like put a quarter in a machine when you were younger and got those cheap tattoos and they were like super duper shiny, this is to solve that. So these aren't cheap, they're good quality tattoos. And then they include this magic solution called Real Till to take that shine away and make them last a lot longer than those tattoos that we got when we were younger. So there's that. And then there's tattoo insurance. So it just says accidents happen, directions are hard to follow. So we're introducing tattoo insurance. If your order arrives damaged or it's applied wrong, let us know and we'll reship your order for free, likely with some extras too. So that's super duper cute and nice to have. Hopefully I don't need this. Hopefully I apply them the right way. And then there's instructions on how to apply. We'll get into that later. And then here are my tattoos. All right, so let's see. So I got this semi-permanent cross because y'all, in high school I used to want to cross like right here on the back of my neck. I'm gonna try to find the picture on Instagram and insert it for y'all. And I had my best friend like draw it on the back of my neck. So yeah, I'll try to find that picture. So I got this for semi-permanent, and the semi-permanent tattoos last for 1 to 2 weeks, and they just have a more like natural appearance, like a dark blue / black finish like most real tattoos. So I got that. And then, you know, I'm in the beehive. Sorry y'all, it's shiny because of the plastic, but I got a bee for the beehive. Might be cute behind my ear, I don't know, we'll see. Let me get into the video. And then I think the rest might be temporary. Oh no, they gave me an extra. They gave me an extra tattoo. Let's see. Okay, so yes, they gave me an extra tattoo, and it's just a star. I may or may not apply this right now. I may save it for later for a trip or something, but these are just the instructions on the back for the semi-permanent tattoos. And then let's get into the temporary. So I have this butterfly with flowers on one side. This is so cute. And I picked this out because butterflies were like my favorite insects growing up. Like I had a butterfly comforter. One of my guy best friends, like one of my first best friends, he bought me a butterfly necklace when I was younger, and I still have the charm, y'all. Trevin, if you're watching this, I still have the charm. I don't have the chain, but so yes, I love butterflies. So butterflies are like dear to my heart. So I was like, well, maybe I want a butterfly one day. So let me try this out. And then, let's see. I got this one. It says, "This too shall pass." So it's a quote. This too shall pass, with birds. And then I got this, which is kind of like the Rihanna style under the boob tattoo. And then I also got one more of these because I wasn't sure which one I would like better. So I'll make sure to include all of the sizes that I ordered in those tattoos down below in the description box, as well as a link. If you look down there, there will be a link for 20% off if you're interested in ordering some tattoos of your own. And you can also use the code TrulyAlexus20. So now let's get into applying the tattoos. So I decided to start off with the semi-permanent tattoos. So currently I'm just cutting off the excess white around the tattoo and getting it prepared to stick onto my body. And of course I would start off with the hardest one, which has to be behind my neck. So I'm just looking in my mirror, trying to get the placing right. And then I peeled off the plastic cover and I stuck it there. The next step would be to press down lightly and hold for 15 seconds. And then after that, you have to wet the towel a little bit more, dab it some more, and then let the backing slide off completely by itself. So you're probably wondering, where is the tattoo? Don't worry, it will appear in 24 to 36 hours. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see the tattoo. Next up, I'm applying my temporary tattoos. So here I'm just making sure that I like the placement, and then I'm going to peel off the plastic and press it face down. So with the temporary tattoos, you want to make sure that you press them down with dripping wet paper towels for at least 20 seconds. And then just dab around the edges and make sure that every side has stuck down on your skin. And you want to make sure to not pull off that backing. It could be very tempting, and I almost did it here within the video, but I'm just trying to pat, and then let it slide down whenever it's ready. So definitely be patient with this step. Once the paper is able to slide completely off, you do want to make sure that you let this tattoo dry for at least 3 minutes. So I went ahead and changed, and now it's time for the Real Till solution. So first you want to make sure to shake it up really well. And then once that's ready, you're going to apply only a few drops at first, and then more drops if the shine still remains. I missed a few spots, so I wanted to make sure that I added a little bit more of the solution, and now I'm just checking out the matteness of my tattoo. So last but not least, we are going to apply the quote tattoo, the "This Too Shall Pass," just following the same steps as the one before it. Make sure to stay tuned to see the final results after 2 days. Definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. We'd love to have you a part of the True Gang. So I've applied all of my tattoos. I'm really anxious to see what the semi-permanents will come out to look like. So make sure y'all stay tuned because I will give y'all a 1 to 2 day update of all of the tattoos, because the semi-permanent takes 24 to 36 hours to appear. It also says to apply plastic wrap, but I don't think I can apply a plastic wrap to my neck or behind my ear, but it would have been easier if I did it on like my leg or my arm, something like that. But I'll just try to not touch it, not really, you know, twist my skin like they said, and we'll see how it looks. So make sure to stay tuned for that update, and be sure to check below if you are interested in ordering some tattoos. So I just finished applying the tattoos, and I'm gonna go see if Capri can tell if this is real or fake. So let's go. You got some toilet paper? I ran out. Thank you. It's a tattoo. Oh. When did you go get a tattoo? Hey True Gang, so I'm back with an update on the tattoos. So I applied them on Friday, and today is Sunday, and so it's been approximately like 2 days. And so just wanted to give y'all a touch base on how the tattoos look now, so stay tuned for that. So for the final look, I love the way that this cross turned out. It definitely has a bluish black finish. I don't know if I'll actually get this done in person. I'm sort of thinking about getting this cross behind my ear instead. I absolutely love the bee. You can kind of see a little sneak peek there. I'll give y'all a close-up soon, but I definitely wouldn't go get this bee. Even though it's super duper cute, I think I'd rather have the cross there instead. As for this under the boob tat, I absolutely love it. I might go get this exact design. It really grew on me this past weekend, and I feel like it just fits my frame perfectly. So we might see this actually inked on my body sometime soon. Last but not least, I think that I definitely messed this tattoo up just with the shorts and jeans that I wore over the weekend, and I kept forgetting that it was there. So it did come out a little dark, but it definitely looked better the day before. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up down below if you like the tattoos that I picked out, and also leave a comment on what your favorite tattoo is, or how many tattoos you have and what kind of tattoos you have. And make sure to subscribe down below and push the bell for notifications. I love y'all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video.